All right, you guys got to be careful. Every YouTuber is saying pump, 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 but every time they put out a video, all the big guys, they're saying, here it comes. Bitcoin's about to pump to the moon. 50 million zillion, 55,000, here it comes. And every time they do that, the price dips. What's going on? There's market manipulation. Everyone's been blowing the trumpets about all the industry money coming in, all the shakers and movers coming in. Well, guess what that means? It means market manipulation. See, you can't do that in the forex market. That's $6 trillion. But Bitcoin, I'm sorry, $6 trillion a day is in the forex. But Bitcoin, it's a $1 trillion market. So if these guys come through, with $10 billion, and of course they corroborate. We know that from the Wall Street Bets guys and the whole GameStop AMC whole thing that happened there. So we already know these guys are colluding. They're trying to crush the little guy, and you got to be careful. Let's take a look at the chart. Oh, hold on a second. Let me back this up. There we go. There's one of my mini screens. Usually, well, anyway, I'm not going to show you all that right now in this video. Anyway, we're a minute, almost 2 minutes in. All right, look at this. This was 20,000 over here. Okay, look at this. This would happen in 20,000. Look at that. Up. Do you see the price riding that red line? The moment it came down to break through, pops back up. Look at this. Take a look at this. What do we got here? Look at this. See this? See, it's riding the red line. Riding the red line. It does that one big pump there, comes back down. Let me see if I can spread that out. That was your first sign right there of weakness. Look, it came from up here, shot all the way down. Look, shot all the way up, came all the way down, bang. Okay, pops up, fails again. There you go. That's your opportunity to get the heck out of here. Get out of Dodge. Comes all the way back down. Look at this. Look at this drop. That should have told you. The very next up cycle, get the heck out. Probably still holding on for dear life, thinking this thing's going to the moon, right? That's what the YouTuber said. But look what happens. Goes from over $19,000 all the way down here to what is that, 5,500. So I don't want that to be you. What did Warren Buffett say? The greatest investor ever. What did he say? When everyone's being greedy, be fearful. What does that mean? It means when everyone says buy, 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 you better be careful and start looking to sell. Look at this on a micro scale. This is 2019. Look at it. And now I'm going to stretch it out so it looks identical to what we're looking at right this very moment. Look at this thing. Sorry for all the lines. This is Coinbase 2019. I thought Coinbase was going to go back further than Binance, which is what I was looking at for my leverage trades. Seems to be extremely accurate, but I just checked Coinbase real quick. That's what this is. Anyway, forget the lines. As you can see here, once we break that line, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Hey, sorry about all these lines. I would have never left those on there. I haven't been on checked Coinbase in forever. Anyway, look what we got here. Riding the line, comes back. Now a good retracement is good. But look at that. We failed. Remember? That's identical to what we just saw in 2019. 2018, sorry, 2018, January 2018. It shoots up, fails heavy. It's just your chance to get out right here. Get the heck out. Okay? Listen, I don't care what these YouTubers are telling you. When all the YouTubers are saying, buy, going to the moon, I promise you, you better set your stop losses. Because you could lose everything just like in 2018. 2017, early 2018, everyone's saying moon, moon, moon. You're getting talk of Bitcoin everywhere. And, mom and pops that don't know anything, don't even know how to freaking use their computer or their iPhone, are talking about buying Bitcoin. Okay, that's when it's time to get. I'm telling you, be careful, guys. Everyone's saying moon, moon, moon. Everyone. I had the local pizza shop guy owner ask me to help him buy Bitcoin because he knew I was into it. He saw my hardtop convertible Mercedes that I bought back in 2017. Bought that off an ICO, Electronium. We got it for 7/10 of a penny, and it skyrocketed to, I think at the high, it was like, probably did him a register, it was like 60 cents. I was working at the time. I had to sell it for 19 cents, but still, very good profit. All right, here we are. Here we go, guys. Look at this. I'm going to shrink this down. It'll look just like every other chart that I just showed you. Can we go higher? Oh yeah, absolutely. We absolutely can get to 55,000. I'm not a psychic. I don't have a crystal ball. What I'm telling you is, because this is my second video. I don't even make YouTube videos. But people are not talking about the things. I've been in this game since early 2017. My first crypto was Lisk. I threw $300 at it, turned into $1,400 in like 3.5 weeks. I've been at this a long time. I don't like this YouTube video stuff, but I am going to put it out here. I think that I'm going to be able to help people in a way that other people don't. Anyway, here's what we're looking at right now. Do we remember that dip that I showed you before? That's like this, healthy retracement. Where was it? Let's take a look at what happened then. Where was it? Right here. All right, so if we're here, then yes, we can certainly double in price. We could, but who knows? With all this new money in, with all these big boys like Tesla in, you think Tesla just bought Bitcoin and he's going to hold it? I promise you that's not what's going to happen. All right, here's where the start of the retracement happened. That's 233%. Okay. You can't really go off of that though, because if you're at $100, to go from $100 to $300 is easy. But now to get, 250% or 300%, you got to go from 300. You've got to go to $3 to $9. It's a far cry from $1 to $3, from 3 to 9. Okay. Anywho, look, here you go. I'm just saying, be careful. Obviously, you do what you want. It's not financial advice. I don't think saying be careful is in any way against any FCC rules or FCC or whatever abbreviations they want to call themselves. I'm just saying be careful, and that's it. Because, that eventually the music stops, okay? And somebody's got to change the record player. And while that's happening, if you're still in the game while this retracement's happening, if you're not getting out, you're going to lose your hard-earned money. So anyway, that's why I'm making this video. I mean, it's just crazy. I do high leverage trades. And the other day I woke up, every YouTuber's like, look at this pattern. This is a pattern. Blah, blah, blah. We're going to freaking 1 million. And without doing my own research, without doing my own technical analysis, I was just like, wow, okay, cool. I dropped a long trade, and all we did is plummet. And I regretted that. Never again. Not listening to YouTubers. You better do your own technical analysis. And I will be showing you that starting, might do one tonight, might do one tomorrow. But look at this. You're riding your red line, right? Here's how you protect your money. You're riding this red line here, right? When you cross this red line, for me on this chart, I mean this is the daily. This is the daily. Let's drop this thing down to a more realistic level. All right, here's the 4-hour. A lot easier to see. When this price action drops below this red line, get the heck out. Well, what if it hits the red line and keeps going? Great, you can buy back in, can't you? What you don't want to do is ride this thing all the way down. Let's get a percentage on that. You ride this thing all the way down, you're going to be in big trouble. That's not what you want to do. Look at that. It's 35% just from there. Look, from the cross, it's 30% from the crossover. So this is 30% free you can get if you get out here and jump back in when this thing starts turning green. When you cross over this orange line, look at that. Look at all the money you saved. Get the heck out. Protect your family's hard-earned money.